Hello everyone. Today we are going to talk about two executing topics robots and Scratch. There are two powerful concepts shaping the world of technology and education. Before we start, let's think about this. Have you ever seen a robot in action? Maybe a robotic arm in a factory or even a vacuum cleaner at home? And what about creating your own animations or games? That's where Scratch come in. Today, we will understand what robots are, how they work, and why they are important. And we will also learn how Scratch helps us develop programming skills in a fun and easy way. Let's dive in. What is a robot? A robot is a simply machine that can perform tasks automatically. Some robots work completely on their own, while others need human control. We use robots in many fields like manufacturing, healthcare, and even space exploration. Like manufacturing, healthcare, and even space exploration. Imagine a robotic arm in a car factory. It puts together cars much faster and with more accuracy than humans. Or think about a robot assist in surgery, helping doctor perform delicate procedures with precision. Robots helps make life easier and work more efficient. Now, let's break down how robots work. Every robot is made up of different parts, just like our bodies. Structure. This is the robot's part holding everything together. It can be made of metal, plastic, or even carbon fiber. Sensor, just like our eyes and ears. Sensors help robots detect things in their environment. For example, cameras for vision or sound sensors for listening. Motors. These act like muscles, allowing robots to move. Some use electric motors while others use pneumatic system, controller or processor. This is the brain of robots. It processes information and make decisions. Power source. Every robot need energy. This can come from batteries, solar panels, or electricity. Software. This is what make a robot smart. It contains instructions that tell the robot how to behave and respond to its surrounding. A great example is a self-driving car. It has sensors to detect obstacles, motors to move, and a powerful processors to decide when to stop or turn. Types of robots. Robots are designed for different jobs. Let's look at some types. Number one, industrial robot. These are the ones you will find in factories. They are super precise and work on things like assemble cars or picking products. Number two, home robots. Have you ever seen a robotic vacuum cleaner like Roomba? It's a great example of a home robot that helps with cleaning. Number three, medical robots. These assist in surgeries and help doctors perform delicate operations with high accuracy. Number four, educational robots. These are designed for students learn how to code. A popular example is Lego Mindstorm, which is teaching programming in a fun way. So robots aren't just for scientists, they are everywhere making life easier. Why are robots important? Robots have a big impact on our world. Here's why they matter. They increase efficiency. Robots work faster than humans. They reduce error. especially in areas where precision is critical, like medicine. They work in dangerous places, like space missions or disaster zones, where humans might be at risk. For example, NASA's Mars rover is a robot that explores Mars, sending back amazing pictures and data without any human astronauts having to be there. Now, let's talk about something fun and interactive. Scratch. What is Scratch? Scratch is a visual programming language that makes coding easy. And instead of writing complicated lines of code, simply drag and drop blocks to create animations, games, and interactive projects. It's perfect for beginners, especially young learners, because it helps them understand programming concepts without needing to learn complex coding language like Python or Java. Main components of Scratch. When you open Scratch, you will see several important parts. Stage. This is where all the actions happen. Your animations, character, and objects appear here. Sprites. There are the characters or objects in your project. They can move, change color, and interact with each other. Blocks. There are like puzzle pieces. Each block is an instruction, such as move 10 steps or say hello. Scripts. A set of blocks combined together to create actions like making a sprite jump or play a sound. Think of Scratch like a movie studio. You create characters, decide their actions, and bring everything to life on the stage. Types of blocks in Scratch. Scratch blocks are categorized based on what they do. Motion blocks control how sprites move. For example, move 10 steps or turn 90 degrees. Lux blocks change how sprites look, like their color, size, or custom. Sound blocks play sounds, effects, or background music. Control blocks. These include loops and conditions like repeating time or if the sprite touches an object, then stop. Sensing blocks help sprites interact with their environment, like detecting mouse clicks or touching another sprite. Variable blocks store value like a score in a game. With these blocks, you can build your own games, animations, and interactive stories. Why use Scratch? Scratch is a great tool because it makes learns programming fun and easy, perfect for beginners. Develops problem solving and logical thinking skills. Helps kids and adults think like programmers. Encourages creativity. You can build unique projects from games to animated story. Many professional programmers started with Scratch before moving on to advanced coding language, so it's a great first step into the world of coding. What can you create with Scratch? With Scratch, you can make interactive games like a racing games or a jumping challenge. Animations. Create your own animated stories with characters and sounds. Educational projects. Use Scratch to explain a topic in a fun, interactive way. So, today we learned about two important topics, robot and Scratch. Technology is changing fast, And learning about robots and programming will prepare us for the future, whether it's using robots in industry or creating amazing projects with scratch. These skills are powerful. Thank you. See ya.